So I'm gonna be doing another cook with me video for you guys. What's up, Livy? I'm gonna start dinner right now. So Lourdes, if you're watching, I'm making carne asada fries. Lourdes requested this video. Last time I did a grocery haul, I think it was. Grocery haul or cook with me, I can't remember. It was one of those videos. The reason I'm wearing my green hair, this is actually a wig. I did not dye my hair, but I just finished filming 2 videos for you guys. I have dishes that I have not done. It's 6:04 p.m. Julio is almost home from work. I just finished filming, so I need to get on it and start dinner.
Yes.
So, yes, Livy wants me to start dinner. Where are you? There you are. This wig is so long, by the way. And I have my oven preheating, so I'm going to show you the stuff that I have. I have my carne asada right here that I'm going to chop up into pieces in a minute on my cutting board. I have sour cream. I'm going to do mushrooms in mine today. I've never done it that way, but I'm going to add some. These are my veggie crumblers. You're going to need some either fresh potatoes if you want fresh cut fries, or frozen French fries. I always just pick up frozen fries. We normally just do seasoned ones, just like these, or the other brand that also has really good seasoned ones is oh, what is it called? The one that has like the checkered pattern up here. I'll see if I can look it up and I'll insert the name right here for you guys, but these are really good. And then I bought these for me. I always tend to do 2 different ones because most of the time I do sweet potato for me, but these just looked really good and they sounded really good. So these are going to be for me. I have little cebollitas here, so green onions, more green onions, because I gotta go through these. I'm trying to see which ones are still good. I have some shredded cheese, which we're gonna need. I have salsa. Ignore my dirty dishes. We have jalapenos. We have different types of, no, jalapenos are over here. Sorry, I'm like so scattered. Jalapenos. We have the pepperoncinis, and then these are just pepper rings. I have my limones because I use one to season the meat and then we use one for the fries, whoever wants some, and then of course ketchup. So the first thing I'm going to do, I already have foil on my cookie sheet. I'm going to put my fries in here, pop these in the oven because these are going to take a little while to cook. Turn on my fan. So let me put the fries on here. Get home and be like, what the heck did you do to your hair? It was so funny. My sister and my mom called and they, in the middle of me filming, and they thought I dyed my hair. Okay, so I'm just gonna do the whole bag of this one. Most of the time I do half of the bag for my sister and Julio and the kids, but I think I'm just going to spread these out because they're kind of big. I'm gonna get another cookie tray. Pop this one in the oven real quick. I'm gonna get another cookie tray for mine and put some foil on this one. Carne asada fries are very, very popular in our house. We normally have them about once a week. We actually haven't had them though in probably 2 weeks or so now. It's been a hot minute. I don't think I cooked them at all last week. So I'm gonna put my fries on here. Oh, these smell so good. I love garlic. And then I'm making the whole bag just in case they want to get some of my fries. I won't eat all of these by myself, I promise. Pop those in the oven. So I hope you guys can see okay. Kind of hard to angle the camera, but here's my carne asada. This is the main ingredient for carne asada fries. And I let mine thaw out all day. Okay, so obviously I'm just going to chop up my carne asada. I don't make it perfect. So I'm going to season it really quickly. I'm going to add some of this rub just a little bit. I'm going to cut my lime. And then I'm going to add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. So just black pepper is fine. I'm going to mush the meat pretty much. Just like this. Into a little ball. No, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna toss it in my pan. I'm gonna throw it in here. I already have this warming up, so it's hot. And then I'm gonna grab my lemon. Going to add some more. Sorry about the shadow. You guys already know my kitchen light sucks. So I'm just going to keep squeezing one whole half of a lime. Whoop. And then I have mine over here ready to go. And all I'm gonna do is add some of my crumblers. I'm gonna chop up some mushrooms for me, put it in there, cook it, and then I'll show you guys in just a minute how I'm gonna season it. Okay, so I have my chopped up mushrooms and my crumblers in there. I'm going to take the other half of the lime, squeeze some in there. I'm not going to do the whole thing yet. Then I just add a little bit of water because that's how I have to cook my crumblers. And then that has to boil, and then the water will reduce. So for now that's it, and then I'm just going to add the same seasonings. So I'm going to add a little bit of the rub, salt and pepper, which I have right here, and that's it. So I washed my onions. I'm just trying to put them all the same length really quick before I start cutting. Carne asada fries are definitely a favorite in our household. Livy, be careful, baby. I always try and buy 2 bags of frozen potatoes for like last minute fast lazy dinners because everybody likes carne asada fries in the house. The kids eat them, and it's seriously such a fast, easy dinner to make. I'm just cutting down some of the bad pieces of the onion. There we go. These like curled up on me. There we go. And like I always have onions in the house. I always have everything to make carne asada fries. So on days that I don't know what to make, or I just want a super fast, quick dinner, like I said, then it's carne asada fries, you know? You can totally do this with nachos as well. I love green onions. I can hear my meat sizzling. Sounds so delicious. And it smells really good. Cut this little piece. I'm going to cut all of my onions just because I'm going to store them in a glass container, and these will be perfect for another dinner. So when I do tacos or tostadas, these will be perfect. And Julio is home. Addie, can you get the door for Daddy? Thank you. Bash ran to the door. He gets so excited when he gets home. Hi, my love. Someone's excited. Daddy's home. Oh, does he smell his food? So here is what my mushrooms and veggie meat look like. And then their carne asada over here. The fries are almost done. You can hear them sizzling. Natasio! He just woke up from a nap. You okay? He's like, Mom, why are you still wearing that wig? Who are you? That's okay. Let's see. Bash over here, you guys. Do you guys remember how tiny he used to be? He's a giant. Barely fits in the camera frame. He's chewing on his new bone. So once the fries are done and ready to be assembled, I will show you guys how I prepare them. Say hello. Say hi. I'll show you guys how I prepare them, and that's it. Dinner is almost done, so I'm gonna go take off this wig and this lipstick because I'm scaring everybody. Say hello. Hi, vloggers. No. Okay, I'll talk to you guys in a little bit.